Hi guys, I just got this 36-inch round chair mat. It is textured on one side and smooth on the other. So let me go put it down under my chair and show you what it looks like. All right, so it's just got this plastic sleeve on it here. So you just pull that up and you roll it out. Now this is going to keep your hardwood floors protected, so your chair doesn't ruin your floors. So let's put it down. All right, so we got the plastic underneath the chair here. So this is going to protect your floor. It's slip surface, which helps to prevent slips and falls in the workplace. Easy to clean and maintain. So it'll work great underneath this chair I got right here. It'll protect my hardwood floor. So if you guys need a floor mat, I would go ahead and get this one. Thanks.